Okay, it's my 2016 Raptor. Just gonna show you a startup video with the new exhaust on it and do a little walk around since I've not made a video on it yet. Yeah, new tires on it. Got the new pipe on it. Have not washed this thing in a while. I ride it about every day, so washing it every day is kind of out of the question. Anyway, I'll go ahead and start it up. I'm not sure how it's going to sound on a GoPro. And that was a cold startup. It's about 80 degrees though, so it wasn't too much trouble. Running a little rich. Yep, and that's about it.